2008 Buick Lacerne rear door lock actuator. It's pretty much the same for the front. I didn't film this from the beginning, which I should have, but I'll go around here on the other door and show you where I started. Okay, first there's a little plastic cap back here. You just peel that off with a flat head, and there's a Phillips screw. You take that screw out, then from there you just start pulling it out from around the sides. Just pull it out. It's only one screw in there. Now once you get it out a little bit, you raise up, because these things go down in slots. There's only one screw holding the entire panel. The rest just kind of fits into the little slots. And once you get the panel off, this is kind of what it looks like. It'll look like this. These are the little slots I was talking about. So that's why you pop it out and pull it up. The door panel looks like this. Once you get it out, looks like that. These are the little clips that fit in there. The rest just pops right out. Okay. Then over here, it's pretty easy. This is just a plastic cover that comes off. I already changed it. I decided to show the video too late. Anyway. Oh yeah. This little plastic clips. You just take the screw out. Just pops right out. Take the screw and then just pop them out. The screw is a star bit. Like that. Or torque, or whatever you want to call it. And it is size, tell you here in a second, 30, T30. All right, so the other screws are right here. It's 1, 2, 3, and they are, oh, those are the T30. That other one was a or is it a T25? I think that's what it was. Yeah, so the side ones over here was the T25 torque, and those are the T30. Okay, so you take this lever off right here. It just pops out and just comes right off like that. It's really easy. And then this is what this looks like. Once you get those screws out, you just pull it out pretty much. Just plug here and you work the cord there. But on the inside, before you do that, this right here, reach your hand in there and pop that out. It just pops like that. If you don't do that, you won't be able to get it out. It's a bar that goes down in there. Just take it out and just reverse the process. It's fairly simple. Kind of self-explanatory once you get it out. Just put it back the way you found it. So I'm about to put this one back together.